Hi, this is Tom with Pure Water Power, and I'm going to be going over a little bit how to install your wheel kit on our Little Beast water purification carts. Now these systems are mainly sold as skids, or you can purchase the wheel kit as an upper and lower wheel kit for maneuverability and to upload on and off truck beds and vans and things like that. So you get two main wheels. They are flat free, high profile, sporty free tires. You get two shoulder bolts, you get your rubber feet for the front, and then you get your upper wheel assembly. So the first thing we're going to do is have you lay down your Little Beast unit on some type of a flat surface, and we will go ahead and start with the two wheels at the bottom. So basically you've got a shoulder bolt you're going to put through the hub. We supply you with a washer that goes on the inside of that, and then you're just going to hand start these onto the Little Beast cart. And then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing for the opposite one. So your shoulder bolt goes through, washer on the end, and then we're going to hand tighten this into the nut there. Okay, so that's started, done. We're going to take, I have a 7/16" Allen wrench already set up here, and we're just going to tighten that, and that completes your bigger wheel side. So then we have your rubber feet that need to go on. We supply you with the bolts, so you're going to stick a washer on one of the bolts, go through the bottom of the plug or the rubber foot, run this through this hole, and put one more washer there, and then the nut. And these are 1/2" nuts and bolts. So we're going to do the same thing for the second one. Run the bolt through the bottom, washer, nut, and then that will take care of the bottom feet. Oh, wants to be a little stubborn. Okay, so all we have to do is tighten those up. It is 1/2", so that's one, and that's two. Okay, so that takes care of the bottom of the unit. So now you can go ahead and put your unit upright, and then we can work on the upper wheel kit. So your white filters will be here. We put two locations to put these upper wheel kits. And what you're going to do is just run the long 3/8 bolt through. I usually go to the lower of the two, and we're going to put that nut on there. We're going to do the same for the other side. We got two different heights of holes here, so you can determine some trucks sit higher than others, so we give you a little bit of adjustment period there. So anyway, we're going to take the 3/8" socket and go ahead and tighten those down, and we'll be good to go. Just got to remember which gun was which. Okay. So you don't have to really crank on this, but you want it tight. Okay, so there's no movement, and then I got a free spin on the wheel. Same with the other side. And you are all set. So that completes your wheel kit install on your Little Beast units. Now you can maneuver around the job site and then have the ability to lay this down on a truck bed and then come back and pick it up and roll it right in the vehicle. So anyway, it'll look something like this, and then you can just slide it right onto your vehicle. Anyway, if you have any questions, give us a call or visit our site, www.purewaterpower.com. Have a great day.